it's Sara from Amaterasu Beauty. Today I'll be showing you how I apply my bronzer on a daily basis. And this is the brush I use, is the Amaterasu Kabuki Brush. I use it to apply loose mineral foundation, powder bronzer, pressed bronzers, as well as my cream blush. But today, let's focus on a loose mineral bronzer. And the color that I use is Lana. And Lana is one of the colors in the bronzer collection on our website. It's the Geisha Ink series. So you can see it's a non-orangey bronzer. I never used to understand why bronzers are orange. It's just not flattering. It looks muddy on the skin. So with this bronzer, see how it's already giving me some color. So it's just a healthier glow on one side. I'm gonna add a little bit more powder. Now, to not overdo, you wanna tap off any extra powder. And then, that. So just that. And for those of you who like a much darker color, I would maybe go with Miyuki. I'm consider a light medium skin tone, warm undertone. So I don't really go for, like I said, anything orangey or anything too pinkish as my bronzer. I like a nice brownish color. Now, whatever I have left on my brush, I usually sweep it on my temples and then just sort of glide some here, and that's it. The goal is to go for a healthy glow without looking like you are wearing a whole load of bronzer, because you don't want it to be like, a clear division